Okay, folks, I got good news. I got bad news. I got good news on top of that. I don't know. I don't know how to classify this, but wanted to share this with you. This is all breaking news. It just happened today. So the FCC was talking about new fees for amateur radio licenses, and they were talking about this fee and that fee and when it was going in, and it was all just news, and we never knew when it was happening. Now we know when it's happening. According to this document, DA 22-307, there will be links in the description down below. The effective date of new application fees for ham radio licenses and GMRS licenses is April 19th, 2022. So that's part one. That's kind of bad news, I guess. Then I got some good news. Let's get to the good news. The good news is that these are considered personal licenses. Personal licenses are amateur radio licenses, GMRS, and aircraft, and blah blah blah. But what we're interested in here is amateur radio services and GMRS. This is FCC document 20-184, and it outlines what the actual fees are. Why they couldn't put them in the same document, I don't know. This document was really hard to find. $35 fee for all personal license applications. So that means that the proposed fee for the ham radio license that was going to be higher is now down to 35, and the proposed fee for GMRS is actually 35 as well, which used to be 70. So good news that the fees are lower for both of those things. Either way, links in the description down below. There's another video right over here I think you will enjoy next. And we're going to keep on being awesome even with these fees. So thank you for being awesome. We'll see you in the next one.